Welcome to Lesson From Here to There. All of us love to travel and visit places. Travel could be to spend holidays with loved ones, or visiting them on special occasions like marriages and festivals. Any long-distance travel requires transport vehicle to carry us from one place to the other. We shall learn more about transport vehicles in this session.
Following is a beautiful poem, The Train, by Harendranath Chattopadhyay. Let's listen. The train. Come on children, let's play a game. Climb aboard the chugging train. Blow your whistles and take your seats. Onto shoulders, if you please. Chuk chuk chuk, the train is on its way. Stop stop stop, all the stations say. Forward, backward, backward, forward. But in a line, don't run outward. Stay in line, and shut your eyes. With open eyes, you'll nothing spy. Chuk chuk chuk, the train is on its way. Stop stop stop, all the stations say.
On roads of iron, we move to and fro. Here come the lights, and there they go. Across the meadows, over the hills. Past aging farmers, temples, mills. Chuk chuk chuk, the train is on its way. Stop stop stop, all the stations say. Past village wells and a lush green field. With broken walls, and a potato field. Smoky clouds, fairs and crowds. Village fairs, riders on mares. Flocks of birds, clustered huts. Bridges and paths, dhobi ghats. Small tea shops, puddles and flocks. Chuk chuk chuk, the train is on its way. Stop stop stop, all the stations say.
Let us understand the poem. It is a game played by children, holding hands, and forming a train. It invites everyone to come on board the train and to take a seat. It describes the forward and the backward movement of the train. Chok, 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 the noise made by the train as it moves. All the stations ask the train to stop, stop, stop. The whistle is blown as it reaches the station. The roads of iron are nothing but the railway tracks on which train moves. Lights mentioned in the poem are the railway signals. As you travel in this train, you get to see the beautiful meadows over the hills, farmers, temples, and mills. You can also see village wells, green fields, broken walls of some buildings, potato fields, clouds, fairs being held in various towns and villages, bridges, birds, huts, dhobi ghats, tea shops and ponds. It is these wonderful experiences that makes travel a fun. How did you like the poem?
Poem is very nice. It describes the chuk 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 noise made by the train. Also nature with ponds, meadows, hills, bridges, and green fields are described, making the entire journey pleasant. It also describes various things we see as we pass through towns and villages.
Excellent. Have you ever traveled in a train? When?
Yes, I visit my grandparents every Diwali traveling in a train.
Sure. Train is common mode of transport in many parts of India. Can a train move anywhere? Why?
Train cannot go everywhere. Since train goes on the railway track, it can go only to places where already railway track is laid.
Excellent. What is meant by roads of iron?
Roads of iron refers to railway tracks. The two parallel railway tracks are made of iron to bear the heavy weight of train bogies that carry so many passengers and goods.
That's right. Unlike road vehicles, train can go only on railway tracks. What places did the train pass by? Make a list.
Train passed through meadows, villages, bridges, Dhobi ghats, ponds, temples, and mills.
Well done. Which vehicles have you traveled in? Write their names in your notebook.
I have traveled in scooters, autos, buses, cars, trains, and airplanes.
Wow, so you travel a lot. We learnt through the poem how exciting the train travel is. Train passes through green fields, villages, and towns. We also get to see various towns and villages with its activities. With that, we have come to the end of session 1.